I could be jealous and grasping with greed. I could pretend that I want something I don't need. These are the things that go through my head, but then I could be an angel disguised as a man. I could be the sun that shines in the midnight land. If you would only stand in my corner, give that advantage to me. Don't you feel something? You know what I'm thinking, but I can't set it free. We must play this game, take the prize, but not before you realize win or lose, it's all the same. Maybe we can play this game. I can't remember the reason I'm here. Sometimes it seems like it's all out of habit or fear. Sometimes I wish I could just go to sleep, but then I'll have a dream with a beautiful end. I'll wake up